Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 16th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather again looking pretty quiet, very warm this week. In fact, hot later in the week. The hottest weather so far this year is likely by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with this upper ridge holding in place. Let's talk about things. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. And again, we've got the main wave action a bit north of here with the ridges and troughs. We've got general ridging in place across the deep south with a few pockets of convection off to the west and south. That was the radar this morning, about 5 o'clock. Alabama is quiet. We'll see a few isolated storms later today, but probably not many. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s to start the day. Highs will be in the mid to upper 80s in most locations today. We're expecting low to mid 90s later this week. Get ready. There's the watch warning map. It's a quiet start to the day, but we'll probably see some pretty rough storms up in the northeast. An enhanced risk of severe storms from Washington, D.C. and Baltimore up through Philadelphia and to parts of New York. Down here, there is a low-end marginal risk south of Interstate 59, and just like yesterday, the storms that pop up could produce some hail and gusty winds, but many places will be dry today. Tomorrow, got a risk of severe storms out across the nation's midsection, and day 3, Wednesday, a risk from near Denver over through parts of Kentucky, north of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Not a lot. Rain amounts under 1/2 inch for the north, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch for the south. And we will expect to see an increase in the number of showers and storms this weekend with the cold front approaching, but again, even then, not a total washout. And hey, looky here, tropical weather outlooks are back. The season technically begins on June 1st. Hurricane Center initiates these every year on May 15th, and things are quiet as a mouse across the Atlantic Basin for now. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4, troughing north and east of the state. And again, you can see just not much here. Let's go to the high-res NAM, and it's got a couple of isolated storms, generally south of Interstate 59 at 6 o'clock this evening. And again, where the storms do pop, they might produce some small hail and gusty winds, much like yesterday. But again, a lot of places with no rain today. Tomorrow looks just kind of dry, kind of hot, highs approaching 90. Wednesday, we could see low to mid 90s. Hottest weather so far this year. Maybe a few showers over the Tennessee Valley. Thursday, hot, mostly sunny. Highs 92 to 95. Same thing Friday. Here comes that summertime heat. But on Saturday, a cold front will be approaching and will bring in the chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe a little more numerous Saturday night into Sunday morning. This is Sunday afternoon. We'll focus more on the timing later this week. And understand if you got something planned outdoors this weekend, it's just not going to rain the whole weekend. But from time to time, there certainly could be a shower or storm, and we could use that rain. A lot of folks had no rain at all this weekend. Some did, but some didn't. Monday of next week, troughing in the west, ridging here, and that looks quiet. We note the GFS doing the GFS thing in the medium range, putting down a tropical system down in the Yucatan Channel. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, May 25th. A little upper low this over Texas. Down below that, tropical system just to the west of Tampa Bay. We have a fairly moist air mass here, but hey, this is the GFS. What's the European doing? No tropical system, none. And most of the ensemble members don't have any tropical feature down there. And just keep in mind the GFS will put those things down all season long. But again, the European showing a quiet pattern toward the middle of next week. This is the probabilistic outlook of tropical depression formation, by the way, coming off the European. This is valid May 22nd through May 25th. This is early next week, and it shows the higher probability of anything forming over in the eastern Pacific off the coast of Mexico. The Gulf looks quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1.5 and 2 inches between now and the end of May. And yeah, buddy, here comes that heat, mid-90s. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The numbers back down over the weekend as the chance of rain will be increasing at that point. In the latest 8 to 14-day outlook, this is for May 23rd through May 29th. Temperatures below average up north, a little above average down here in the southeastern states. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.